Hey guys, it's Cal and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a kind of a room makeover for like the 80th time, but I'm going to show you what the room looks like. Currently it's kind of a complete disaster. I just have like bird cages and stuff everywhere, but I'm actually going to be taking some furniture out and moving some stuff around, and yeah, I'm just going to kind of show you real quick what the room currently looks like. So obviously I got my air conditioner, I got my coffee pot and fridge and stuff over there. This dresser is actually going to go. Yeah, that dresser is actually going to go, and I'm going to move my desk over there with Rio's cage next to it. So like the desk and then Rio's cage, because Rio really shouldn't be with the other birds because he is crazy. And then I have a stand for her cage, which then that cage will stack on top of, and that's gonna go in this like lineup over here. And then I'm gonna put a nightstand and another little table over there to put Fiji on, so it'll kind of open up some space and just look better. So I don't know, I'm gonna try to get that started. I'm sorry if I'm not like my usual chipper self right now. Some stuff's going on and personal stuff, and I don't really want to get into it, but yeah, I'm just gonna do this and probably be a pretty quick video, but I'm gonna show you the after. It's a disaster in here too, all the bird stuff, and yeah, so I'm gonna see what I can do here. Let's do it. So here's what it's currently looking like. I got those guys lined up over there. I'm currently laying on my bed. I got garbage bag. Rio and Fiji are over here. The rest of the desk is there. That stayed the same. The bed's obviously not made, which you'll see when I do like clean it up and shit. This area, this is Paulie's little stand with his toys and stuff. Spider plant, just some stuff. I still have the rope thing because Loudmouth Malibu likes to sit on top of the curtain rod and she plays in this. So I left that. That's all the same. Birds. Birds, birds, birds. Rio, you're the reason for all this. And yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna show it tomorrow once it's all like done. But that's what it currently is looking like. And I'm tired from moving all that furniture. So once I make the bed tomorrow and I clean everything up the rest of the way, I will show what it looks like. So the room is still not perfect, but I guess I'll just show what it looks like. There is my like tapestry thingy on the back of the door, a mask. Ocean. Over here I have the lineup of cages up against the brick wall. My shelf up here with some crystals and some plants and stuff up there. Another little macrame piece with this arrow going through it. Paulie's favorite stand that he has to sit on when I do my makeup. This basket that I put like my pillows and stuff in from my bed. My gigantic snake plant. My nightstand, which just has my lamp. This little thing that holds my watch. Candle holder, a fake aloe. Some books, my medicine. Water bottle, since I can't remember what that was called, obviously. Hand lotion. My fan, because I can't sleep without a fan. Basket down there for just other stuff. I have this rope thing attached to the window for the birds to climb on. They like to climb it, especially Malibu, the Budgie. She likes to sit on top of here, and then she climbs this. So I have this up there, so they can kind of climb that. Come over here. Another shelf with plants, some pictures. My bed, which I actually made today. I normally never make my bed because I'm lazy. A tapestry, the little sunflower thingies up there, lights, a fake plant hanging, a dream catcher. This is fake, but it's really pretty and it looks really like real. That's in the window. I got some other crystals and stuff in this window. And then I got this, which just has like my herbs and stuff down here. I got herbs, some different witchy stuff, some books, another plant, and my iced tea. Up here, I got my peace lily, some more crystals, my tarot cards and oracle cards, some Palo Santo, candles, some feathers I've collected, like large feathers. Yeah, and then over here I got my spell cloths, another water bottle back there that I use when I make my tea. I got my salt lamp, my mini fridge, and my Keurig, some sage and a little skull. Back here I have some sample teas that I got to try out, and some essential oils. This box also has essential oils in there. And then I have just more stuff up here. There's some more herbs back here. Some crystals, my music, or my speaker. This little thing hangs back there. Me looking horrible. Hi, I have no makeup on, my hair is wet, I'm getting ready to go to work. Shoes. Those aren't normally there, but they are now. I got some filming equipment, like my ring light and my tripod and stuff, and then I just put this fake plant in front of it to like cover it. My desk chair, which is dirty, with a pillow on it. A garbage can, nothing fancy. I got my laptop with all of my stickers on here. I got my makeup mirror, a real aloe plant, some crystals, like my everyday makeup, my coffee cup, my desk lamp, these really cool like leaf thingies that I have leaf vines, I don't know, hung up on the wall with these battery operated lights. They look really cool. Then we move over here and we got Fiji's cage with a little play stand on top and this fake plant that I thought looked cool, just kind of trailing over there. It kind of matched with this. I thought it looked kind of cool. The bird's little bath thingy that they can, like, when it's on, it, like, it's not plugged in right now, but when it's on, it, like, drizzles down and they can, like, bathe in it. Rio's bell that he likes to beat up. Some more crystals. Rio's cage, because Rio can't be over here with the other conures because he'll try to kill them. You will, won't you, Rio? You're a nasty boy. And then we're back to the door. And I think that is pretty much, yeah, that's the room. Up here I just have some bird treats and supplies. Their water jug that I fill up every day to, you know, for water changes and stuff. A spray bottle from when I missed them. Baskets with more bird stuff. Cleaner. Toys. Bird. Dancing bird. Down here, these little baskets just have bird food in it. So there's like, you pull it out and you got like food in there. I got another one back there. Got these two, and then there's another one back there. Yeah, I think that about covers it. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.
One, two, one, two, one, two.